So if it rains a lot, get water from the road running, and then it fills this grazing area until it reaches near to the house. So in this grazing area it acts like a slowdown, so the water slows down in different places, and it leaves some sand and some soil, and it soaks slowly to the ground. Here you can see what has been collected. You can see a water point. This acts now like a dam, small dam, but it doesn't hold water. It's a dam for where the water will sink down in the ground. And then we've been digging so that we direct the water. We want it on this side, because next to the house we have our fruit forest. So all the excess water that did not infiltrate the upper land, it comes here and it's collected. So you can see here France, and then this one acts like a small dam again. Then it goes into the shamba, where we have some trees, some fruits, some vegetables. And then it comes into this place and is redirected and floods all this small food forest. So then we've been redirecting that water we've been digging here, so that the water floods now this part where we are planting some kales. There's some spinach inside, there's some amaranths, there's some different indigenous vegetables here. We have avocado here, and many species of trees to support now the creation of a forest here. So when we put this place flooded, water came here, it's flooded here, and then again where you see that tall tree, a few tall trees, there is a swale here, and then it eventually entered there, and we got quite a lot of water, and all of the water was sinking in to this ground. You can see how green it has become here. This is the second time we get that kind of water. It's really green. You see the grass. So we have some work now to remove weeds and to remove grass. Many things are coming up with speed. So, and finally the last water came to this side, where we directed it to this is an old home for the termites, El Chole Lasai. So we have been putting a lot of fresh manure here to burn them, and they have disappeared, but they came back now. So the last water, it came running here, and then it entered actually into the home. So we hope that will finish this termites, because termites here, they are killing quite a few of my trees during droughts. So this place is now becoming nice. The trees are tall. This Croton megalocarpus. We have bananas. We have the mulberry. We have the papaya tree. We have the physalis. We have matunda and bananas again. And then here we are planting some vegetables, like spinaches. So you can see here it flooded all this area. So water came that side, this side, flooded this area, all of this area. So, and it was flooded for about 2 hours. So we expect this place to be green for a long time. Yeah. Hope you learned something new. Talk to you next time.